Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up payment method on your Shopify store. We're going to head over our admin dashboard of our Shopify store. Once you have did that, we're going to head over the settings. Click on them and then you're going to see this dashboard. Now, as you can see, we're going to see a lot of, as you can see here, information about our account. But the most important thing in here is going to be the payments. You're going to click on here on the left side of the screen and you're going to visualize all the payment methods. We have the supported payment method, which are going to be considered as secondary payment methods, and we have the primary payment methods, which is going to be the payment provider. So we're going to choose a payment provider first, and you're going to see that we have tons and tons, depending on the region that you have opened your Shopify store from, you're going to find them right there. So if I am going to type in a name of a third party payment provider, like maybe Stripe, you're going to find it right there. And as you can see, it is going to be not available in my country. So this is unfortunate, but it is going to be okay. Now, aside from that, you can go ahead and enter your Stripe account, the address, email, submit it, and then you're going to proceed with the authentication or the access or authentify the access for your Stripe account. If you do not want to add Stripe and another payment method like ADN, payments, integration, UZPay, and etc., go ahead and click on one of them. Also, we have the tap payments. As you can see, all of them are going to support at least the Visa, MasterCard, Amex, and Apple Pay, etc. So choose carefully one of them, and then we are going to have in here. So the secondary payment method is going to be here PayPal, as you can read. Also, I have noticed that in my case, it is not going to be mentioned, but they have their own or the Shopify payment method. Normally, it is going to be involved in here, but you're going to see it as a primary one. I don't know why it is not going to be in here, but it is okay. So it is going to be dependent on the region, like as I've said from the beginning. Now, as you can see, I can go ahead and activate my PayPal and also add another one instead of PayPal. For example, you can go ahead and type in here the crypto currencies, for example, Ethereum. You're going to have the Ethereum or crypto and all of the what their providers that you can find on the web. So basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.